Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. I think we can call this Criss Cross Stitch. I think that's UK term name of it. I am not sure, you can correct me. And I really like to use this stitch almost everywhere. I get shocked actually when I realize I haven't made a video about it yet for this channel, of course, and I will make it now. I will use a cotton yarn, a size 4 and 6mm crochet hook with that. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will start with a slip knot. And then make multiples of 2 chain. And then we will add one more chain. So you can start with an odd number of chain. I made 12 chain and add one more. And turn and starting from the second chain, insert your hook here. You can use here too, but I like to use the back loops. It looks nice. And make a single crochets. Insert your hook here, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops. That's a single crochet. Just keep making single crochets. And maybe you heard some weird noise. Actually, it's nature voices. I try to eliminate them, but cannot make it for all the voice, of course. It's too hot here, and so I must open all the doors and windows. And I said before, I live near the airport, so sorry for that. And for the row 2, I'll start with chain 2. That's a half double crochet, and now we will make double crochets, but not into the next stitch. We will skip this one because we made a half double crochet here, and skip this next one and into the third stitch. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through from second 2 loops, and that's a double crochet. Now we will make one more double crochet into that back stitch we left. Yarn over. I will insert my hook into that stitch, but from back to front. If you want, you can make it like that too, from front to back into the same stitch. I like this one, from back to front. Just grab the yarn and make your double crochet. That's our first double crochet, that's our second double crochet. Now we will skip this next one and into the next one. Make a double crochet and turn back again to this loop. Insert your hook from back to front. Make your double crochets. Again, skip this one into the next one. Make a double crochet and make a double crochet into the stitch we left. Skip this one. Make a double and make one more. Skip this one. Make a double and one more. Into that last stitch, I will make a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook here, grab the yarn. Yarn over and pull it through from all 3 loops. Chain 1 and turn. For row 3, we will make single crochets. You can see the stitches if you're looking like that. And put a single crochet for all the stitches you have. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we need one more, and I will make it from the second chain. I have 12 stitches again. For the row 4, I will start with 2 chain and turn, and I will make the same thing, exactly same thing. Skip this one, skip this one, and into that third stitch, make a double crochet, yarn over, turn back and make a double crochet into this stitch we skipped before. Skip one into the next one, make a double and make a double here, skip one, make a double and one more, skip this one, and that's the last one. And into that last stitch, make a double crochet. And for the row 5, we will make the same thing, single crochets. Just make a single crochet into every stitch. And don't forget this. That's the last one. and keep making the same thing again and again and again. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And Criss Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there too. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.